Hello, it's Hannah and Richard from Wild and Growing. We are exploring the property that we work at, and we just came across this pond that has at least 3 beavers swimming around in it.
Up here in northern Connecticut, the ice is only just melted. It's still really early in the spring, and so a lot of animals are just finishing their hibernation. They're out looking for food, and these beavers have been swimming around. Really amazing animals, beavers. If you're looking to get outside and you're trying to find some beavers, or you want to see some for yourself, right now it's about an hour before sunset, and this time of day is when they're most active. When it's low light, they're crepuscular animals, so they're not nocturnal, they're not diurnal. They're most active at dawn and dusk. They like wetlands like this, and the best way to spot them is you'll usually see sort of a V shape of ripples. And that'll be what you notice first. When you look out across the pond, you'll see sort of that V-shaped ripple, which is the beaver swimming with its head just above the water. We've been seeing them kind of checking out some of the islands back here, interacting with each other. They're really awesome.
Saw them slap the water with their tail, which is pretty cool to see.
So this right here is one of the 3 lodges that we can see. The other one, or another, is over that way. And then way far in the distance is a third. So the Beaver Lodge is really cool. Essentially, they build an island out of sticks and mud. And then right as it gets to the top, it flattens out. Then they use the rest of the sticks and they make a dome. There's an underwater tunnel that goes to the inside. So the only way in or out of the beaver's home is through the water. And it's a very narrow, nothing larger than a beaver can fit through it. Pretty ingenious way to avoid predators, because it means that in order to get at the young beavers or get at them while they're vulnerable and sleeping, something has to be A, a really competent swimmer, B, able to handle really cold water. Beavers have some of the thickest fur of any of the animals around here. And C, they need to be able to fit through that small spot. So really pretty amazing. Another amazing crepuscular animal, another of my favorites, is the one that you hear all around us. So it's a small tree frog called a spring peeper. They like wetlands like this, and they're just really beautiful. One of my favorite sounds in all of nature.
Too. Sound of spring and summer.
Yep.